I've talked a lot about ad creatives and the importance of them on this channel, but the question is, what actually makes a video or an image something compelling enough that makes a stranger to buy? And to answer this question, I will break down a very interesting ad that I think it hits from the marketer perspective all the necessary things that an ad has to have. So I came across this ad on my Instagram and I said, you know what, this video is very interesting, so let me record a dedicated video just on this creative. And I think that we will learn a lot of things from it. First, let's play this video, watch it till the end, and then I'm gonna break it down each part and I'll explain why this is so compelling. So let's go ahead and let's play it.
Do you not have skincare? If not, let me help you out. Lumen is a skincare brand made for men, and you get everything for free. You go online, you take a quiz, and they'll hook you up with 3 simple products. Charcoal cleanser. It removes the dirt and grime from your pores. Exfoliating rub. It clears out any dead skin and that razor burn. And last, moisturizing balm. Hydrates and smooths out any uneven texture, and it smells great. Guys, it's so simple. Just head over to Lumen and start your free trial now.
Yeah, so as you can see, there are a lot of things here to kind of digest, and the first thing that I want to say is that this brand Lumen, I noticed a lot of ads on my Instagram and I just fall in love with their ads because they know their customer persona so well, and I will explain also why their ads are so great. So the first thing that we see is the hook, right? The first 3 seconds. Now, looking at this ad creative, I'm not gonna judge. Now here you might have different thoughts, but the goal of this hook is to catch your attention, is to drive curiosity, and this particular hook is doing exactly its job. So sometimes it can be even controversial, right? But just because it's controversial, this makes a great hook. Because the things that are controversial, they also like kind of drive curiosity. If your hook is boring, no one will watch your video till the end. They will skip your ad right away. Now, to create such a powerful hook, you need to know your customer inside and outside. So a powerful question that you could ask yourself when it comes to creating these hooks is, what can I do? What kind of things I have to display in the first seconds in order to stop my potential customers like doing the activities that we are doing at that time, right? From scrolling or from swiping for stories, whatever. And usually when it comes to a hook, there are 2 scenarios. One is saying to your customers their biggest desire or their biggest pain point, right? And I think their audience is men between 20 and 40 years old. So for this particular hook, they are using kind of an end goal. That's why it's so compelling and that's why it's so catchy. Now moving forward to the next scene, we have here a section where we have to call out our ideal audience. So you could tell them about their problem and why they should care about that. And one great thing that they did is, instead of having a man model, they have a woman, because they know exactly why like their customers would use their product. And one of their biggest desire is to kind of look better and attract the opposite sex. So that's why they use a woman who is talking about why a man should take care of their skin. And again, this boils down to the customer persona, because when you know your client, right, by showing in, for example, in this ad, a woman who is in the age range between our like potential customer, which is men between, let's say, 20 to 40, this speaks directly to them. And this again grabs their attention. This makes them to watch till the end of the video. Like we had the hook which captured their attention in the first seconds, but now our job is to keep them watching the entire video. So while calling out this audience, they also educate this customer, because some were not even aware of this problem. That's why you have to tell them why they should care about that. Now let's go to the next scene, and this is when you start introducing the product. So usually a question that you have to ask yourself when it comes to creating this scene is, what is this about and who is this for? It's extremely important to also tell them who is this for exactly, because that is something that will speak directly to the customer first of all, but also secondly, this is a very good kind of element for the algorithms to target that particular audience, because algorithms look exactly at your creative, they look at your language, they look also at this text overlay, and then your creative is a guidance for the algorithm to target your ideal customer. So then afterwards, based on your product, if your product is much more complex, now you need to educate a little bit of your customer. It doesn't need to be very long like this section, but you have to educate a little bit about how this product works. So you can see here in this example that they are explaining you how to take a quiz, and then kind of based on that quiz, you're gonna get a personalized set of products. Now, next step is revealing features and benefits. And I would actually emphasize more on benefits because not so many people care about features. Even if there are some people that they ask about features, it's because they know a little bit about your product or your industry, and by knowing your features, they will know what kind of benefits they will get. So at the end of the day, they still think about what is in it for them. That's why I would actually recommend telling them what they will get when they get the product, what kind of benefits, how they will look like after using your product. And as usual, at the end, you have to have a strong call to action. For example, here we have head over to Lumen and start your free trial now. Now, as you can see, on top of having this compelling ad creative, they also have a great offer. And when I say offer, it's basically what the client is going to get when they will use your product. It's not so much about like, percentages off or things like that. Of course, in this case, they have like start your free trial now, which is amazing. They basically kind of okay of losing some money upfront, but then afterwards, based on, I noticed on their website, they have a subscription model, then they get all the profit in the back end. And I know maybe for a lot of brands, this is not something sustainable, but at the end of the day, you could think about how you can structure your business in such a way that you could increase your LTV, your lifetime value, and your average order value, so you could have much more profit also like in the back end, because that matters a lot when it comes to scaling an ad account at this moment. So this ad has in total like 40 seconds, but I can guarantee you, like, to create something like this, it might take you hours, if not days, because you have to do a lot of customer research, you have to know how to structure this video right, so it will take you quite some time. I cannot hide this. That's why if you believe that you need some help with your advertising campaigns, follow the link below and schedule a quick discovery call with me, and we will go through your business. We'll see what are your problems, what are your goals, and at the end, either we will do business or not, you can walk away with some kind of strategies and insights to create better and compelling ad creatives. So that was how to create compelling ad creatives, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.